Koya. I'm the creator and founder of Silky Sacks, and I'm here today to do a review of this FLS01 wig by Harlem 125. But before we get into that, you know there's a few things I'm going to ask you to do. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell so that you'll be notified whenever we drop a video. We come to you every single Monday with wig reviews, hair tutorials, hair tips, product reviews. So go ahead and hit those two buttons like I said earlier and become a part of our Silky Sack family. And if you're watching over on Facebook, we love you on the FB too. Go ahead and give this video a like and share, and then on both platforms, comment down below, let me know what you think of Miss FLS01. Now here at Silky Sacks, we do sell fabulous products to help you keep your wigs in order, and we do have a free guide called the Ultimate Wig Guide. If you're interested in learning more about wigs, where they come from, the different types of wigs, I will have the link to the free ebook down in the description box below. Go ahead and download it. It's free and get into the know about wigs. And here at Silky Sacks, I love to send a shout out to all of my subs, and I don't even like to call you my subs because we are like a family over here. You guys are my Silky chicks. So today's shout out is going to none other than Miss LQ Love. LQ Love does mukbangs. She does bomb eyeshadow and makeup tutorials. I will put the link to her channel down below. She also goes live on Sundays, and it's some great conversations, you guys. So make sure that you go ahead and check her channel out and tell her that Silky Sacks sent you. So FLS01 is by Harlem 25. I am starting to try to branch out and try wigs by companies that I don't review a lot. I consistently review a lot of Outre and a lot of Sensational, and I think everybody for the most part does, but I'm trying to branch out and show you guys some other options, some other companies, what they have to offer. So this is my first time, no, actually I think this is my second time buying a Harlem 125, wig. It is their Swiss lace wig. It has 4x4 full lace parting in the front. I am rocking it in the color 1. I got this wig from my local beauty supply, but I will put it in the description box below because I believe you can probably order this online as well. And I believe this one is a little bit of an older wig, but that's okay. Sometimes oldies is goodies as well. I liked it, the stock card, and this wig kind of is giving me Aaliyah vibes. Rock the boat, rock the boat, rock the boat, rock the boat. So I wanted to try it out. It is a silky texture, so for those of you who don't like silky, you will not like this. I'm gonna tell you that now. This is super duper silky. It's cut with layers in the front, and it has parting space up here. I did mine on the right, and I don't know if you can see that part very well, but I parted mine on the right. This wig also is heat friendly, so if you're looking for a heat friendly wig and want a straighter wig, this may be the wig for you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's get into this review. All right, so here she is. Let's open you up and see what you have to offer. Okay, so this is the wig out of the packaging. There's the part here. It's not very defined. And being able to run my hands so not getting a lot of tangling and shedding. Let's look at the cap. So there is the parting space up here, so you get a lot. Has a typical 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back with the adjustable straps, and then this lace is a darker color. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you now, you know, because of the corona, the kids are out of school. My stepson is here in the building, so you may hear him in the background. I have asked for them to be a little quiet, but kids for you, so we will see. Anyway, let's go ahead and open up this wig. So it's on. The cap is feeling a little snug, you guys, so I don't believe this one is going to be really big head friendly. So here she is, and you know, this wig does have parting space, 4x4, so I guess that's why the part is not as defined. So here she is. Just letting her fall in my face, kind of like a Leah style, and then I'll part it later. So here is the hair in the front, and it's coming down. I don't know if you can see, like right just over my breast, and I am 5'4". So here's the wig on the side, on the right. This is the wig on the left. And this is to the front. So let's cut off the lace and see how we can style her. Okay, you guys, so I'm back from styling, so let's talk about Miss FLS01. So I went ahead and I cut the lace off, and as I was saying before, this cap is not very big head friendly, so I'm just going to come in closer. If you look right here, this is all of my baby hair, and all of my real hair is out on the side over here. So I tucked and pulled as much as I could, but this one is definitely not big head, thick girl hair friendly. Then I went in with my hot comb, because since it's a 4x4 parting space and the hair was kind of just falling however it wanted, I knew you kind of had to train the hair and put some heat into it. So I went ahead and took my hot comb, made the right part into the wig, and then just kept taking my time and slowly putting heat on this right side and combing it over here so that it could stay over onto this side. And then the hair is a silky texture and there's some shine to it, so I went ahead and went in with my dry shampoo for brunettes and sprayed that on there. So I do think that helped a little bit take some of the shine off of the wig. And then I did attempt to do a half up, half down style with the wig, but because of the hairline and because it doesn't cover up all the way, when I was pulling the hair up, you could really see my hair, you could see the lace, and it just did not look good. It would definitely be clockable that it was a wig. So I just ixnayed that and decided to just go ahead and wear it straight and bring this right bang over and kind of give me that old school 90s Aaliyah look. And then I went in with my Fit Me powder and just went ahead and tried to define this part a little bit more. I don't know if it's coming through on camera, but just went in and defined the part a little bit more. When I was combing the hair out with the brush, I did experience shedding and tangling, so you probably will experience some shedding and some tangling with this wig for sure. So I'm so on this wig. I'm not really a huge fan of it. It's not that it's a bad wig, especially because it's an older wig. It's probably at a cheaper price point, but I would have liked it to be more of a yucky texture, or not as silky. And I also think that right now there is some better wigs online or that are out there if you want a more straighter or layered look. So that is my take on this one. Of course, she will be down in the description box below if you're interested. And when I take this wig off, I'm not going to put it back in the plastic bag that it came in. I'm going to put it in my luxurious Silky Sack. A Silky Sack is a silk line bag that I designed in order to store your wigs to help cut down on the tangling, shedding, and matting. The silk lining allows the hair to just glide. So if you're interested in a Silky Sack, the link will be down in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, better care is better wear, and I will see you next month.